My name is Joshua. I am an intern at Brooklyn Young Filmmakers. My assignment is that I go to Pro Sounds and I learn something there. On the second day of that week, I make a video about what I learn. I am a senior at Xaverian High School. Since I've been at Pro Sounds, I've learned a lot about the importance of sound. A lot of times people overlook sound, but sound is one of the most important parts, and they are just as important as someone would consider cinematography would, if not more. Because if somebody were to have very bad audio, they wouldn't be understood. One of the things that I learned from sound is mixers. All sound mixers do the same thing. They enable you to bring all the audio parts of a performance together, blending and processing them so they have the impact on an audience that the director wants. They have these, like a whole bunch of these knobs, like gain, low cut, high cut, medium, like audio levels, volume, stuff like that. And all these little knobs, and they have like all these like places where they have like a very long and seemingly intimidating mixer of sorts, where people would get just confused on what each thing was for, but really they're all just little segments. It's crazy how it seems so complicated, yet it's pretty simple. The first talking picture was The Jazz Singer in 1927. The Jazz Singer was recorded by George Groves. He was the first ever sound man in the film industry. The original mixing console they used is at the Warner Brothers Studio Museum. It only has 5 knobs. Each is visibly labeled with the basic groups that a modern sound designer would recognize, including music, crowd, and actor. The white main character in the film wants to sing black music. But back in that day, it was acceptable to white audiences only if the singer did it in blackface. That was kinda messed up. I've become more aware about the importance of sound. If the audio is like really bad, it'll confuse the viewers and it won't contribute well to the film as a whole. I also enjoy creating artwork. I have made about 80 pieces in the past 6 months. And now I am understanding more about the art mystery of sound. I am understanding more about the art and mystery